Hey everyone, Erika with a K here. Today's video is going to be a step-by-step tutorial on how I color in my eyebrows. Super affordable, really easy, like 2 steps. Keep watching. Okay, so I start off by brushing my eyebrows up. You can use any spoolie for this. I'm using the back of an e.l.f. eyeliner brush and I just like the spoolie on it. Then I go in with an angle brush. This one's from Sephora and I dip it into a black eyeshadow. Yes, black. I have very dark natural hair and if I use brown in real life, I just hate the way it looks. And so I use black. If you have lighter hair or you don't have naturally black hair like I do, I would definitely not use black. I would use dark brown, but that's what I use. I focus all of my energy at the bottom and the top, like from the middle to the end. And then I do everything I do to one side, I do to the other. So again, I start from the middle. At this point, my brush has the most product on it. So I really want to put that towards the middle to the end because that's where I have the most gaps in my eyebrow. I really don't color in the front part, like towards the middle. I don't touch that because I'm using black and I don't want it to look absolutely insane. If I am adding more product to the brush, again, I do that, to the middle to the end. I really try not to touch that front of the eyebrow. And I go in with the e.l.f. Brow Wow. As you can tell, everything, I think it cost me under $10 to do my eyebrows, but I like this one a lot. It's a brown color, but I think it just really helps my eyebrows look like hair, like whatever I colored in. It does have fibers on it and I really like it. I actually have a whole video dedicated to this product. I like to actually brush through the front of it. I think it just gives the hair more of a hair look. It gives everything more of a hair look. So that is it. That is what I do to color in my eyebrows. So I hope that this helps. I love you guys and I'll see you later. Bye.